Some sentences sound harmless, almost empty, but inside a woman's mind they can trigger a reaction she cannot fully explain. She does not think it through at first. She feels it. The explanation comes later. Attraction is not logical. It does not follow rules, labels, or moral checklists. It comes from instinct, from mood, from what her body senses in the moment. That is why a woman can have a partner, a family, comfort, stability, and still feel tension towards someone else. Not because she planned it, not because she chose it on purpose. Sometimes it happens like a reflex, and when emotion gets louder than logic, that is where most men either lose control or spark desire without understanding how. Many men think attraction comes from doing more talking, more explaining, more proving. Others shut down completely. They fear rejection, go quiet, and slowly disappear from her emotional awareness. The real skill is understanding how her inner world responds, how desire can wake up without chasing, without force, and without asking for approval. You do not push desire. You allow it to surface by how you show up. In this video, I'm going to share 5 phrases that quietly activate attraction even when a woman is already committed. These phrases do not speak to logic. They speak to emotion and instinct. They frame you as a man with self-control, boundaries, and calm confidence. At the end, I'll share a 5 phrase that works at a deeper mental level and explain how to handle that kind of influence with discipline and ethics. If this is your first time here, I'm Celia. For years, I've helped men understand female psychology and build real connection through presence, emotional control, and respect. No tricks, no manipulation. Stay until the end, because the final point is not just about triggering desire, but staying steady when it appears. Most men try to understand women through logic, as if attraction comes from careful thinking. It doesn't. Phrase number 1. I'm not trying to change your mind, I just want to understand you. This removes pressure instantly, because one of a woman's biggest defenses is the assumption that a man wants an outcome. When pressure disappears, her body relaxes. She stops bracing. This phrase signals independence. It says her reaction does not control you. That freedom feels rare, and rarity creates attraction. Use it when she shares something personal. Most men jump into advice or opinions. You don't. You listen, then you say it calmly like the truth. If your tone and body language match, it feels respectful and safe. And safety mixed with confidence can be magnetic. Phrase number 2. That's interesting. I didn't expect you to see it that way. This is not a shallow compliment. It is recognition. You are responding to her mind, not her appearance. Most men stay on the surface. Looks, clothes, body. When you respond to her perspective, she feels seen more deeply, and when you add surprise, curiosity appears. Now she wonders what changed your perception. Delivery matters. Slow, calm, no hype. When validation is not chasing, it feels real, and real creates tension. Phrase number 3. I'm not trying to impress you, I'm trying to get to know you. This flips the dynamic. Most men try to prove themselves. When you stop auditioning, something shifts. You come across as a man who chooses, not chases. Calm about outcomes. That energy feels different, and difference creates curiosity. If she comments on your confidence, you can say it naturally. No attitude, just steady. That steadiness signals emotional security, and emotional security is attractive. Phrase number 4. You can say, no, I'll be fine. Neediness creates pressure even when unspoken. This removes it instantly. It tells her you respect boundaries and are not dependent on your answer. That creates safety and tension at the same time. Use it when inviting or when a moment reaches a decision point. You are not begging or convincing. Calm acceptance of rejection reads as real confidence. Now the number 5 phrase. This one requires ethics. I can feel the tension too. We should be careful with it. You are not pretending nothing is happening. You are naming it without crossing a line. She feels seen. You keep a boundary. That combination creates strong mental attraction because it shows awareness and control. But here is the responsibility. If she is committed, you do not use this to pull her into chaos. You use it to stay grounded. Sometimes the strongest move is not escalation, it is restraint. Because real strength is not triggering desire. It is choosing integrity when you could take advantage. If this resonated, comment where you're watching from. And if your calm ever did more than your words, share that too. Remember this. Lines do not create attraction. Energy does. The phrases only work when they match your presence. Relaxed posture, steady tone, patient timing. No forcing, no chasing, no proving. When you show up as a man who does not need anything but can still connect deeply, attraction tends to surface on its own.